Hey YouTube, welcome. This is Honey Plania towards Plania web tutorial. This is lesson about default parameter. So with Es6 we have this ability to pass default parameters, for example, to your function arguments. Okay, so let's begin by creating a single function and we will go from there. Okay, so function, let's call its name welcome, and then it will simply alert, and I'm going to use template string, so use to backticks. Now within this backtick I expected, for example, this function expects the user and message. Okay, so let's give these arguments user okay, and here I am going to construct a sentence so that I can alert. Okay, so I will say hello user, and I'm going to here message. So this is the function which expects two arguments, user and message. Okay, so let's invoke this function welcome and then pass arguments John, good morning, save that. So everything is perfect, it shouldn't work, it should work. So save that and refresh the browser, it should work. Hello John, good morning. Okay, so why using this function? If the arguments are passed, then this function works perfectly, right? But for example, let's imagine that this input would come from the user and for some reason the user didn't provide the arguments. Okay, didn't provide name and didn't provide message. Like that, we remove it, save and go to the browser, refresh that, hello undefined, hello undefined. Okay, so in a situation like this we could benefit by using the default arguments. What we can do is we could simply assign a default value to this. For example, user equals to mystery person and message equals to good day. Okay, save that. So in this case, even though there are no arguments passed this function, as you see, okay, and this function will not break and it is still function with default value. So this is much better than undefined, right? So save that and refresh the browser, hello mystery person, good day. Okay, so obvious we can more creative, but that's not the point. The point is to understand about default parameters or arguments when you are creating a function. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. I hope you like it. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.